Hi everyone, it's Holly here, and I'm back again this week with a review and tutorial for you. A brand new Rhode skin launch. Had to buy it because it's makeup, skincare makeup, and that's just like my cup of tea. Skincare brand makeup is my everything, and I love Hailey Bieber's makeup, how her skin looks. I just always want to recreate that. So I bought these myself, everything I've bought just from Rhode myself. So that does say something. I tried to get on this launch as quick as I could. It sold out pretty quick. So there was only a few shades left. Luckily, this is the shade I preferred in the Highlight Milk. I got shade 1, which is like a pinky pearl, which is my preference in highlights. They're kind of hard to find sometimes, but I prefer them. I think they look amazing. I got Sip in the bronzer. It's a little warmer, darker than what I would probably normally pick for my skin, but that description was sold out, but I thought we can make this work. Let's do it. And I did apply some Rhode stickers. They were free with a purchase at the time. So I thought, let's put some temporary tattoos on. I don't have any tattoos, so I just had fun today with that. I figured I'm doing a video for you guys. I may as well like give you a spectacle as well. To apply both of these products, the first impressions I'll give you before giving you the tutorial, but I'll try and keep this review clear and quick and concise for you. It's very blendy. It's kind of what you would expect from Rhode, like because it is a skincare brand. The Summer Fridays one is similar. Very blendy, very, very blendy. It's got quite a bit of pigment. It's quite dark, but it blends out very much, which is great. So there is some flexibility on shade choices when a product is that blendy, because you can blend it out and make it work for you. As you can see on my face, I blended it out and it looks a lot more natural, even though when you first put it on, it's quite dark. So that's something I love. And I just love these Rhode products, these pocket products, because they're just so easy to take with you. They're easy to blend. You don't even need a mirror probably. Honestly, you wouldn't if you're at like the beach or pool or something. You could just apply it, or in your car. And they're just cute and fun to use and take with you. I can't really explain why, but that's just the vibe. And then the Highlight Milk, I didn't know what to expect with this. Again, it's similar to Summer Fridays had one. However, they don't have a shade like this one. Pink highlight. I'm surprised this one wasn't sold out because there was another like champagne one that was, but I prefer this color over champagne. It looks amazing. Like you can see it on my skin here already. It just looks so natural and I feel like it looks angelic. You look like you're sent from heaven. It's just so beautiful. I don't know, for some reason I thought it would be more creamy in a way, like not as milky, even though it's called Highlight Milk. Not sure what I was thinking there, but very runny, like it is milk. But that is what makes it look so natural. That's what allows you to wear it under makeup, with no makeup, over makeup, any way you want it. And it's honestly undetectable on the skin. Like you'd never look at it and be like, there's makeup there. There's no way you'd be able to tell. And that is just what we all want, isn't it? So really impressed with that. It gives the skin a little bit of a glow like an essence or toner would, as well as obviously the pigment in it, but it's nothing, like you can't see it. As I'm looking close on my hand, I obviously can't see it on myself. Like when you look really close, all it looks like is glow, but I don't know. I'm so happy that they're making products like this that are just undetectable. They just look like literal no makeup. So I'm going to just show you now how I created this look, how I applied my bronzer and Highlight Milk from Rhode, my little tips on how to create it, and how I think Hailey Bieber wears it in her looks, and just kind of how to have a flawless look for summer. Let's start with the bronzer. They were sold out of some shades, so the one I could get my hands on was Sip, which I think is a little warmer and perhaps darker than what I would have gone. I did want one that was like a little bit cooler and lighter than this, but I figure we can make it work. I've already tried it and used it. It's very blendy, so you don't have to be too crazy with placement because it is quite forgiving. And I'm gonna use my Haus Labs face brush, and I'm gonna use the angled end. I quite like the angled end. So you can see how easily it blends in the skin, but also you can see how prominent, I suppose, or how bold that color is. And I've definitely worn it in some like looks with photography, and the cheeks really stand out. Like you can definitely see the bronzer I'm wearing, but like technically that is what I want, because I mean, I don't want to be going through the trouble to do all of this and have it not show up. So that is not a bad thing. Make sure to blend it into your hairline because this is hitting you like the sun would. And I like to start off with a smaller amount and then go in and add more if needed, just for a more natural look. But you can see how beautifully it looks once it's all blended. And when a product is really blendy like this, it is more forgiving color choice wise. It's not the end of the world because you can blend it out quite a bit. Super simple, really blendy, really glowy. I'll be using this probably all summer. It's just really easy to apply. I could probably do it without a mirror, honestly. I am gonna apply a different one to my nose just because I don't like applying too warm of contour to my nose. I definitely like a cooler one just for shaping because I don't want a lot of warmth right there. So I'm gonna use my Haus Labs Precision Sculpt Shaping Balm in Sculpt. And I'm gonna use my Tenille Jai brush. It has like a little end on it that is perfect for the nose. I already put a couple little freckle things on, but it'll look good. Even blend it over top. I'm not gonna go too crazy with this today. I mean, I say that and then I just do full contour. I always do contour on my nose. If I don't, it just doesn't look as flattering. If I wear concealer, just is what it is. Just looks better. Okay. What I like to do sometimes too, if I'm in a hurry, just to make it a little bit more natural, powder in my hand. So I just kind of put powder on top and it softens that contour a bit. It makes it look more natural looking, which it does. I'm gonna just stick with the Rhode theme, even though this is not new. This is a Rhode blush in Tan Lines, which came out last summer. You may as well stick with the Rhode theme because we're using the bronzer and highlight already. That's beautiful on top. And truly, like, I've bought all of these Rhode products myself. They were not sent to me. So that just kind of goes to show they really are good and stand out in a world of products. Fun to use, I think. I really love the packaging. For some reason, it's just a little bit different and fun to use. And that's like enough for me. And then this is probably this is my favorite part of the new launch out of trying the bronzer and the highlight. The Highlight Milk in, I don't know if people are talking about this shade enough because it is so beautiful in shade 1. It's like I thought it would be more like a makeup type thing, but it's really more of a multi-use. This would be actually good to apply underneath makeup if you're someone who, I mean, it just would look really nice underneath makeup too, but it looks great stacked on top too because it just looks so natural. In a world of makeup, it really is just so natural looking. Wherever you put it, it just kind of looks like you're naturally glowing. And then I know in her makeup tutorial, she applied it like here as well, which looks beautiful, but it is kind of like, I don't want to waste it. Would probably use a more inexpensive glow on my collarbones. I'm saving this one probably for my face, but if there's extra, just set my bronzer with a little bit of powder. Nothing crazy, but sometimes cream products can move a little bit. So I feel like this just gives you a little bit of security to keep it on the skin where you applied it a little bit better. Kind of my favorite bronzing powder right now, Super Suede Amalfi from Say Beauty. I love their brush too for bronzer because it's just very soft and easy, natural to apply. Tutorial and my review on the brand new Rhode products that Hailey Bieber launched. Makeup products, I absolutely love them. I think they're great. I think this stacks up with a lot of other bronzers out there. It's really easy to apply, easy to bring with you. You can even like swipe it on your eye without looking. Like, I just love an easy application. And then the Highlight Milk is kind of the highlight for me. No pun intended. It does stand out from other products I find. I really love the Summer Fridays one, but the thing I love about this is the pink hue to it, because I love a glow with a little bit of pink, because I find it just makes your skin look alive and it looks a little more natural when applied. Like, I don't know. Look how amazing. I just love this color so much, and I really love the formula. I love how natural it looks. Like, it literally, you cannot find a speck of it on my skin that would look like makeup. So huge fan. Hailey Bieber did an amazing job with this one. Don't forget to like this video down below if you found it helpful and enjoyed it, and follow me here at holl_ward on YouTube. I post every single week with full-length videos, and I post shorts every other day. Makeup, beauty, style, just a little snippet into my life. And don't forget to head over to Instagram and TikTok. Follow me at the same handle over there at holl_ward. I'd love to see you over there. So as always, I hope you have a wonderful week, and I'll see you next time.